Brand new compact cookie from Skoda. Ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to the beautiful, although rainy Tel Aviv and the brand new Skoda Scala. Young, fresh, understated, but of course, as always, we're going to hop in and see what this car is all about. We're going to look at the infotainment system and see what is under the bonnet. There are 5 different engines available. 3 are petrol, 1 is gas and the other one is diesel. In Switzerland, they've chopped the diesel and we only have 4 engines available. What about the cabin of the new Scala? Well, there are a few new good things coming. We've got a 10-inch brand new infotainment screen and the whole look and the layout is actually very, very new. So the idea is to simplify your life, make it hassle-free, all about connectivity, all about being smart. I think the music starts to play, so let the fun begin. But overall, very clean, uncluttered, simple. I like it. And how does it feel to be a passenger in the new Skoda Scala? Well, there's plenty of legroom. Actually, I'm quite impressed with the legroom. Plenty of headroom. We've got this long, beautiful sunroof. Overall, home sweet home. What about the boot space? We've got 467 liters, plenty to carry all your clutter, and that's enough about the boot. So what are my thoughts on the new Skoda Scala? Well, a quick look for now. I like this car. It's cool, it's young and funky. In a couple of months' time, I will be taking it for a test drive and see what this car is really all about. And this brings us to the end of this video. I'd like to thank you very much for watching. A big thank you to Skoda Switzerland and Emmanuel for bringing me here to Tel Aviv. As always, I look forward to your comments and questions. Bye!